Hello everyone. Question only what's and why. Let us go start. What date is today? What month is this? What station is this? What is its name? What do you do? What did he ask you? What have you done? What are you doing? What is your opinion? What is your opinion about him? What is your sister name? What's her name? What do you do on Sunday? What will you do? What have you decided? What time is it now? It is 9 o'clock. It is a half past 10. It is a quarter to 5. It is 20 past 8. What do you want? What do you hobby? What did you say? What did you write? What work you do? Question why? Why is it dull? Why is the train late? Why are you late? Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing, shouting like this? Why are you getting angry unnecessarily? Why are you asking me? Why do you worry? Then why did you call me? Then why did you go there? Why did you spend all the money? Why did you behave like that? Why do you stare at me? Why didn't you apply for the job? Why did you resign the job? Why didn't you phone me? Why didn't you phone me? Can't say. Rest. Anyhow, just coming. Just now. Very righty. What a horror! How beautiful, neat and clean. How too terrible. It's very far. I am glad. Don't abuse. Well done. Very right. I am sorry. Come here. Go there. It's mine. What is your name? Question and comment. This is what I want to know. That is why you fell down.